and in doing so, they will no longer be two, but they'll be one.
I, Andrew James Timms, take you, Gemma Louise Carroll, to be my wife. I promise to love you with God's love. To this end I give my word.
I thank God for your love and friendship. I pledge my faithfulness and give you my life.
Those who God has joined together this day, let no man separate. They have declared their commitment to each other by the giving and receiving of rings, and by the joining of their hands. Their commitment to each other is certain and righteous before the Lord. I therefore pronounce that they be man and wife. Together, you may now kiss the bride.